Okay, so this is what your circle will look like when you're finished. There's a little opening between here and here, so you can put the beans in right here. Now we're getting ready to flip it, but before we flip it on the circle, just like we had to get rid of the bulk on the corners of the square, we got to get rid of this bulk because this distance is longer than this distance and there's more fabric out here, and so when you try to flip it, it creates like little bulky spots if we don't get rid of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and cut little chunks out around the edge. This is called notching, and it makes it gets rid of the bulk, but you can't just cut the fabric off because then there's nothing for the stitches to hold to and the fabric will just come apart. So that's why you cut little chunks in, and make sure that you do not cut your stitches. So I'm going to finish doing that and then we'll come back. So when you're finished notching the edge, it's going to look like this. You're going to notch all the way around, but you're going to leave this part unnotched because that's where you're going to have to flip it and hand sew it shut. You don't want it to be difficult to get the ends to stay for you. So right there, you'll just leave it unnotched.